23-year-old Harsh Gupta was fresh out of school when he set out on his journey from a small town near Uttar Pradesh's Kannauj. His destination, becoming a doctor. 4 years later, he's on the streets of Delhi, running from pillar to post, demanding a fair examination.
6 तारीख से काउंसलिंग फिर से होगी कहीं ना कहीं अभी तक जो लग रहा है, तो आपको लग रहा है ये इनजस्टिस है बच्चों के साथ?
बिल्कुल इनजस्टिस है, क्योंकि जब काउंसलिंग हो जाएगी तो उसके बाद क्या होगा? उसके बाद क्या बच्चों को आप निकाल पाएंगे?
Harsh is among the thousands of aspiring doctors who demand a re-examination and an investigation into the alleged paper leak across centres. Many of them, like 25-year-old Vikas, have gone through multiple grueling attempts at what's seen as one of the toughest competitive exams.
सर 1563 की बात नहीं है, बात हमारे पूरे 24 लाख की है। सबके साथ स्कैम हुआ है और बहुत स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे जिसने 4 साल मेहनत करके मार्क्स लाए हैं, उन्हें सीट नहीं मिलेगी तो क्या होगा?
While the Education Minister assured the angry candidates of a solution acceptable to all, a setback for the aspirants from the Supreme Court, which will now hear their petitions 2 days after the scheduled date of counselling.
The Supreme Court, which heard a number of petitions today, refused to give any kind of relief and said that they will hear the entire matter on the 8th of July, when the Supreme Court reconvenes after the vacation.
For students, it is the integrity of the exams that has been compromised.
एनटीए के रिप्लाई आने के बाद में जो हमारी सबमिशंस हैं और इस केस को दोबारा से मेरिट्स पे जो 8 जुलाई को सुना जाएगा ये होगा। लेकिन जिस तरह से इस केस में हमारे पास मटेरियल्स हैं, एफआईआर हैं और दूसरे एविडेंस हैं जिसमें पेपर लीक हुए हैं, एफआईआरस हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशंस चल रही हैं, ये साफ साबित होता है हमारी तरफ से जो हमारे पास मटेरियल है कि इस पूरे एग्जाम को सेट असाइड करना चाहिए, रिकॉल करना चाहिए और ये दोबारा एग्जाम होना चाहिए।
While the chief of the testing body, the man in the line of fire, declined to speak on camera, the National Testing Agency says the credibility of the exam is intact. Government sources told NDTV that it could be due to a relatively easy question paper this time that several students came out on the top. The Education Minister defended his testing agency.
Let us wait for the 8th July, how Supreme Court is going to pronounce its judicious judgment.
With the ball now in the Supreme Court, lakhs of students are left in the lurch. These 20-year-olds who could be on their way to becoming practicing doctors have taken to the streets. Re-NEET is what they demand. They say they have no trust whatsoever in the National Testing Agency and that the inaction on all the discrepancies that have now come in the public domain is like playing with their careers. In New Delhi with camera person Arun Singh Negi, Vedant for NDTV.